Here we go, guys. I'm back once again with one more amazing website. Right now, it's called brandcrowd.com. Okay, here it is, first option. Now, what this website does is that it makes logos. Yes, you can use this website as a second option. Previously I gave already one website that makes logos for you. Okay, you can use this website also as a second option, or if you like this one better than the first one, whatever it is, guys, this is the platform that can help you in making logos for your own business, or you can use it, as a freelance services, and make logos for other people. Sell it on Fiverr, sell it on Facebook, Instagram, anywhere you want, guys. Okay, let's try this one. Let me try this one with this name. Okay, it's asking for keyword. Use this one last time. Text only, or icon and text. Icon and text. There you go. Creating logos. That simple, guys. Just click off your buttons and you have multiple options. Amazing creative options, guys. Amazing creative options. Now the best part is that you can even edit them right here. You're not happy with something, click on edit. Here it is. Change it. Change the text, change the layout, background, logo, shape, whatever, guys, you want. Okay, and then save or just download, whatever you want to do. You will get it for free, guys. This amazing website, amazing options. Use it for yourself. Use it to make money, guys. Okay, if you have any questions about it, send across. I'll try my best to help you guys. All right, cheers, have a great day.